wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to part 2. And if you saw part 1, you notice we took out for the first time after the hurricane the island hopper to go through the canal and out towards Sanibel and Fort Myers Beach. And we noticed on our way out there wasn't that much debris in the water, so it seemed pretty safe. And once we hit the most southern point of Cape Coral, where the Boathouse restaurant is located, we started to notice all the destruction, and we couldn't believe how much damage the hurricane caused to the area here. But the kids noticed a lot of fish around the pilings, so they threw in the rods to see if they got lucky or not. And after a few casts, no luck, so we decided to pick up and kept our way towards Sanibel. Once we reached Sanibel, our heart was broken to see how much damage this area has suffered, especially the lighthouse. Then we headed over to Fort Myers Beach, where we love to come and hang out on the beach. But again, we were shocked to see how much damage the hurricane has caused to this area, because we have seen a few video clips, but it's a complete different feeling when you see it in person. We couldn't stay long because Mother Nature had other plans for us, and she sent more rain our way. And once our way back, cruising by what used to be beautiful islands, and now they look all burnt and destruction, we noticed there was a lot of fish activity jumping around near shore, so we decided to stop and take a look. And this year, come by and say hi to us at the Fulado de Boat Show, October 29th from 12 to 2 p.m. We will be at Bahia Mar, booth 1095, hanging out with Aquabana and all our cool water toys. So come meet us, and I'll see you there. And here's a part that I think nature works in mysterious ways, because sometimes it takes from some and gives back to others. And that's exactly what happened to us, because within 5 minutes or so, he had a big hit. Come on, baby, fight him, baby. Fight him. Oh!
That was big, boy!
Fight him. Don't bring him out of the water. Don't bring him out of the water.
I don't want him to bring him out of the water. He's right here, he's right here, he's right here. You gotta come up, you gotta come up. By the engine, by the engine.
Dale, go. Come on.
Yo, this is a massive snook.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Bring that chin, brah.
He's dragging.
Come on, dog.
He's dragging.
Go.
I don't want to lose him.
Come on.
Watch out.
Come on.
Yo, this thing is massive.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, we're at PB. No, we're at PB. We're gonna jump to the wall. Stop, get the wheel.
I got it. Go to the front. Go to the front.
Go to the front. Get him.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yo, that's the biggest monster ever, dog.
That's my personal best. Now watch out, remember.
Yeah, I'm going back.
That's crazy. Whoa. It's a hoagie. I told you.
Yo, that's massive.
That's my PB. That's my PB. This is like a 40-incher. No, 30 something.
Dude, that's a big snuggle.
Get the garber. Hold on. No, I'll lift him. Actually, no. Hell no. Just check the app. That thing is huge.
Let me take a picture.
Horizontal.
Hold on.
Hold it.
Let me get you a picture. Hold on. Thing's a monster.
No, not like this. No, put your hand under it like this. Like prop it up like that. Like that, yeah.
It's a monster.
Holy cow. Nice. Alright, you gonna release him?
Yeah. You see him again, you get you. Go
ready?
Go.
There's probably more.
Bye-bye, baby.
Daddy, they're in this. The big girl. Look at her.
That thing is big.
That thing is huge. It's my biggest ever.
Alright, let him go.
No, it's not letting go of my thumb. You see? He's held on. He's sucking on my thumb. Dale.
He's huge.
He's still holding on. He's holding on. You see him?
Yeah, let him go.
He's holding on to my thumb.
Yeah, let him go, let him go. There he goes. That's a big one. Yeah. Give me 5, brother. Yeah. Boom.
I got it, bro.
You got another one right there.
Another massive snook.
Go, walk to the front.
Net him.
Go to the front.
I can't. Turn me around. Go to the front.
Go to the
Towards
front.
the ball. He's coming towards the ball.
Go to
net.
the
Draw net.
Get the front.
Net.
Net, you're in.
He's gonna jump. Oh, there he is.
There's another one. Dale.
Right here, draw net.
Get him. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't lose it now.
He's ripping dry.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, down.
Come on, buddy. Let's do this.
Muscling me.
You got him yet?
No.
Come on.
He's muscling me.
Come on, dude.
That's him.
Ah!
I don't know why Fresco's bringing it away.
Another one. Bring it right. Woo.
That is crazy.
Another one.
Yeah, another
Boom.
snook.
How big is that one?
Draw down. I just came off. You freaking.
Oh, come on, man.
Way too
Let me
hard.
see. Woo. Hold on. I'm taking a picture. Hold on. Woo. That was number 2, baby. Number 2. Woo. That was a live one. Yeah, that was a good one. Woo. Breaking records today.
Throw again.
Well, and all of a sudden, I kind of felt a cold wind in the air. And I guess what? I think we have clouds coming our way. We got a little one.
Yeah, this is
Third one, baby. Third one.
I stole it from Joel.
Third one, baby.
I told you this story.
Woo!
Nah, put it
3. A little one, but still counts. See you, baby.
Yeah.
Tell your big brother to come bite.
Yeah. Oh. There he goes.
Woo! Got him, baby. Okay, so Fresco caught 3 snooks and lost 2, and Joel lost 1, caught none. So we're gonna give him a second chance, see if he gets lucky or not. Well, you know, the fish got misplaced, so they're just trying to find. The land got shifted around.
Alright, Joe, I'm gonna push myself up there.
Alright. 1 minute. And while we were enjoying ourselves here at this little spot by the island, we noticed that Mother Nature was brewing up some more rain right behind us. So we had to get going because I didn't want to get wet. And I guess she was nice enough to let us have some fun here with the fish. But now she told us it's time to go home. Well, if you guys saw part 1 of our day, it started pretty sad, seeing so much destruction around Sanibel, Cape Coral, and Fort Myers. But on our way back, we got pretty lucky, and it kind of brightened up our day, even though Mother Nature threw a few clouds our way. And that's the way you have to see what the hurricane did to the West Coast. It just threw a few clouds for a few days, but it's gonna get bright and shiny once again, and the West Coast is gonna be back to its beautiful self once again. And if you guys want to help out the West Coast like we did, you can go to www.floridadisaster.org and you could do a donation or even volunteer if you're locally.